Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using deep powders. So the powders that I will be using today are from the brand Rebel Nail in the shade Citrine, as well as the Cushion Pro in the shade Bright Neon Yellow. And here are the close-up look of the powders. And for the liquids, I will be using my Rebel Nail Pro Base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Miss Nail Snow White top coat. So to start off, I applied nail primer to all of my nails. So then once it's all dry, I apply a thin layer of Pro Base to my nails and immediately dip it into the powder and tap the excess. So for my pointy, pinky and thumb, I will be using the Bright Neon Yellow from Pusher Pro. I will be applying 3 layers of this powder just because it's very sheer and I want my nails to be a little bit thick. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this powder and I'll be back. So once I finish with 3 coats, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the next powder, which is the Rebel Nail in the shade Citrine. So I apply a thin layer again of the base and dip my nails into the powder and tap the excess. So I apply this powder on my middle and ring finger. You will notice that with the second layer, I just lay my nails on top of the powder just because by doing this, I find that more glitters will stick to my nails rather than dipping my finger into the powder. So I did this technique with my second and third coat. So then after the third coat, I brush off all the excess powder. And then next, I'm going to use my Lunula acrylic powder, which is a clear powder to encapsulate my nails. Although it says it's acrylic powder, it's also suitable for dipping system. So again, I apply the thin layer of the Pro Base to all of my nails and then dip into the powder and tap the excess. So what it does is it will protect your color from filing and buffing. So then again, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the activator. So I'm going to use my Rebel Nail Activator and apply a generous amount of this to all of my nails. And then after a few minutes, I buff and file off camera, and here's what my nails looks like. And then I spray some rubbing alcohol to all of my nails just to remove all the dust. And then next, I'm going to apply my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat. So I've applied 2 layers of this to all of my nails and then cure it for 30 seconds. One thing that I wanted to mention is that I always use my No Wipe Top Coat just because I'm not really a big fan of deep powder top coat, and also it's just a personal preference. So you can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So next, I apply the cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.